Question 18. Fernando randomly picks three distinct numbers from the set 1, 2, 3 up to 9 and arranges them in descending order to form a three-digit number. Sylvia randomly picks up three distinct numbers from the set 1 to 8 only and also arranges them the same way. The question is, what's the probability that Fernando's number is larger than Sylvia's number? So let's say A is Fernando's number, Fernando's three-digit number, and B is a set of Sylvia's numbers, three-digit numbers. Let's draw a container to represent numbers in A and numbers in B. B is smaller than A, which also because A has more choices, right? It can have 9. How many numbers will be in A? A will have 9 times 8 times 7 divided by 3. Please note whether you pick up 9 to 1 or you pick up 1 to 9, all those eventually ending up with a same number, 9 to 1. That is, you pick up 1 to 9, or you pick up 1 9 2 or 9 1 2, right? Those 6 combinations eventually or 1 2 9 1 2 1 9 and 9 2 1. These 6 combinations equal to all the same, the number 921. So that's why I divide by 6 here. That gives us this is 6, so we have 9 8 times 8 7 divided by 6. Yeah, this is 3, this is 4, right? So we have 12 times 7, which is 84 total number it has. For B, similarly, you have 50. You have 8 times 6, 7 times 6, and the order is not matter, so that's why divide by 6 as well. That gives us 8 6, and this give us a 4 and give us a 2, so equal to 8 times 7, which is 56 numbers here. So that's the first thing. We look at the total numbers. Then we look at how many numbers in A which are started by with 9. For example, 9 to 1 up to 9 8 7. Those numbers will be, any of those numbers will be bigger than number from B, right? Which is starting with 3 to 1 up to 8 7 6. MC 8 to 1 8 7 6, right? How many of those we have? After 9 is selected, we have 8 ways to select the second number, and then 7 ways to select the second number divided by 2. which is 4 times 7 is 28. So it's right. So we here similarly we have 28, and here we have 56 as well as here as we did already. So the probability that that's the number picked from set is A, and the B is the number we picked up from set B. So the probability A is greater than B can be equal to P1, which is A equal to 9 something, and plus P2, which is A is not equal to 9xx. So the probability 1 here basically is the A is select from this area, and the probability 2 means A is select from this part. So the what's the probability 1? Because we have 28 numbers to choose, right? Each of them will be start with 9, and then for any number we select from B which has a 56 number, does not matter. So many combinations out of total 84 times 56. That's the probability of P1. For P2, we have to observe that actually this set, this subset, right, that's 56 number here and a 56 number as well. They both subsets actually contains the same amount of number and the same numbers as well. So let's look at how many numbers are contained here. 56, right? So we have a total 56 times 56 combinations. This is A from this area, this subset 1, and this is B, A from subset 1, B from subset 2, but actually both subsets are identical actually, right? So that equal to what? 56, 336, 30, 280. So we have 3036. That's the answer, the total combinations. But then you have to realize some combinations we have A greater than B, some you have A equal to B, and some you have A less than B. What's A equal to B? We have 56 combinations. For example, A equal to 3 to 1, and B is also 3 to 1. This is A, this is B, right? They're equal. Next, we also have to notice that the probability A equal to greater than B or the A less than B should be equal. Why? Because the set S1 and S2 are identical, right? So let's say how many of pairs we have A greater than B. We are told out of total 31, 36 minus 56. That give us 3080. That's the total pairs with either A greater than B or less than B, and half of that with 3080 will be, which is 1540. That's amount is equal to combinations we have either A greater than B or A less than B, right? Therefore, the probability P2 would equal to 1540, the total combination we have with A equal to B, and out of total sample size, which is again 84 times 56. So we do the sum of P1 plus P2, which is actually P1. You're going to see if we take this away, reduce that, you're going to have a further reduce that, is became a 3 1/3, right? 1/3. And for that we can simplify by, let's divide by 2, for example, is 42, and then we have a 770. Further divide by the 7, that will be an 8. You have 101. Then you divide by 2, you get 21. This became 55. Right, so you have a 55 times 20 divided by 21 times 8, which is 868. And that you can unify the two numbers, so 68, and here you must have 56 plus 55, which is 111 over 168, reduced by 3, it became 37 over 56. The answer is B.